As well as the, I would say, creator or hero here, because the old GT newspaper, I have to take the tough call of shutting it down, okay, due to COVID and other reasons. But I was very attached to it. I used to spend some time here. Evelyn was there, Vanita was there. There were a couple of more people, familiar faces who I used to interact with then. And so when I got the opportunity to start GT, these two were the first people to reach out, as in I reached out to them. And Raju sir was kind enough to introduce me to the gentleman, Frankie, and we onboarded. So we have started from zero, right? Not a single person reading the website. And from that now we have crossed 1 million. And that is a big number to achieve even in 2 years, because we are focusing on tourism, right? Our entire vision for this website is to bring Mother Goa back to its glory, right? Bring people to Goa, bring money to Goa. People have just taken things from Goa. No one has given back. Our director Abhijit Pawar had given me this problem statement and told me, Swapnil, focus on bringing money back into Goa. And that is what we intend to do with Gomantak Times. It's by the people, for the world. Okay? Think about it. Please contribute to this initiative. Support the team. I know you already are, most of you. Now the content is there. We are focusing on monetizing that content. This year is about making money for Gomantak Times, plain and simple, and indirectly for Goa as well.
To start with, looking back, in 2022, when I first came here, it was sometime in March and April, and I think I met Raju. I wasn't sure about myself, forget Gomantak Times, and after the conversation with Raju, things fell in place, the ball set rolling, and eventually I found myself in the saddle in July. It has been a long journey. Thank you, Raju. Through Raju, I met Swapnil. I only remember 2 words of yours. I always see them on the mail. One is best, the second one is approved. It speaks a lot about him, because he is a man of very few words. 95% of the time he says yes to me, so his rating is 95%, and 5% of the time he says no to me. In all these years, 2 months and 4 months, he has said no to me just twice. So his rating is very good. Thank you, Swapnil.
GT team, Frankie, तुमचे सगळ्या काम काळजांतल्यान परबी दिता. कारण म्हणल्यार 2 वर्सां जाली. पण आमकां 2 वर्सां आमकां खूब वर्सां जावचीं दिसता. खरें तुमची टीम इतली बरी काम करता. विशेषतः फ्रँकी बद्दल एक सांगपाक म्हाका, ताका ताणें म्हणलें पळय, एटिट्यूड ना ताका, बरो मनीस. सदां इंग्लीश जर्नलिजमान हांवें पळयना. इंग्लीश सगळे जर्नलिजम खुबशे इगो आसतात. लोक नाका आशिल्ल्यो कटकटी करतात. म्हाका जीटी टीम सामकी बरी तुमी जेल जाल्यार, सामकी गोमंतक फॅमिली बरोबर, आनी आमी तुमी आमकां सामकी फॅमिली कशी दिसता. सो सांगपाचें अशें की सकाळ इज अ व्हेरी नायस पेपर. द ओनर्स आर फॅन्टास्टीक पीपल. आनी आमकां केन्नाच हें करपा तें करपा सांगना. इट्स द फर्स्ट आय एम देर इन जर्नलिजम फॉर मोर दॅन 40 years. I have traveled from Indian Express to Times of India to at least 7 newspapers. I will look forward in seeing that GT turns into a newspaper as early as possible. And a special kind of a newspaper, not like the other papers in Goa. ताका एक वेगळें ओरिएंटेशन, आनी तो जर एक न्यूजपेपर म्हणून आयलो न्ही, सगळे इंटरेस्टेड. हांगा म्हाका आमचो पळय नवो युनिट हेड आयला, विजू पिल्ले, तोय सांगता, होय विचारता, अरे केन्ना न्यूजपेपर करियर म्हणटा, न्यूजपेपर इंग्लीश पेपर जाय आमकां. सो तुमचं जो सगळ्यात तेका मिळाली इझिली तो एक न्यूजपेपर जाऊ शकता.
We look forward to that.
Yes, thank you.
Swapnil, I would like to